Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Teach Knowledge. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to track student progress and access grades. To track student progress in assignments and quizzes, navigate to General channel of a team and go to Grades tab. The assignment or quizzes appear in columns and the names of the students appear in the rows. Assignments are ordered by due date with the nearest date at the beginning. Scroll down or across to continue viewing assignments. Your students' work will have different statuses. One is viewed if the student has opened and viewed the assignment. Turned in, the student has turned in the assignment and work is ready to grade by the teacher. Or returned, or you can see points. When you have graded student work, the points assigned will show, or you will see returned if the assignment doesn't have any points. You can see here that some of the students returned submitted the assignment, but they did not get any points. They may not have turned in the assignment. That is the reason the teacher may not have graded the assignment or quiz. If you see any blank, the teacher has not taken any action on the assignment or the quiz. The most important feature that every teacher requires is here exporting all the grades in one file by clicking the export to Excel. When you click export to Excel, the file is downloaded to the download folder. The file is downloaded here with the names of the students, points and the feedback you have given here in the assignment or the quiz. As you can see, the points are here. For 10 points the quiz was conducted, quiz 1 was conducted. The points are here, marks the student has got, and the points tab is here. The feedback you have given, if you have given any, will appear here. This is assignment conducted for 20 marks and 20 points are here, and this is quiz 1 and you see points here. So you can download the grade sheet. You can download the grade sheet from export to Excel tab in grades tab.